guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my second Halloween tutorial of 2018. Yeah, so did everything on my face already, and do you like my background? I love it so much. I am obsessed. I got this from Amazon, so inexpensive. Yeah, so now I'm gonna start off with the Dare to Create and the Dare to Create 39A palette from Morphe and the Masqurade palette from Juvia's Place. Now I'm gonna take that brown color shade right here, and I'm gonna put it right above, a little bit above my lid and a little bit into the crease. Now I'm gonna take this burnt orange color shade and I'm slowly gonna put it right into the crease. Next, I'm gonna take another brush and I'm just gonna blend out the harsh line with a very, skin tone shade.